In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a PDF with a certificate in Adobe Sign. A certificate-based signature is different from a simple typed or drawn signature. It uses a digital certificate, also called a digital ID, to confirm your identity and apply encryption so the document can't be altered without detection. You can use a certificate issued by a trusted provider or one you've created in Acrobat. In this walkthrough, we'll use Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader to place a certificate-based signature on a PDF. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. With the document open, go to All Tools to reveal the available actions, then choose Use a Certificate. This tool is specifically designed for certificate-based signing and validation, so it ensures the right kind of secure signature is applied. Next, click Digitally Sign. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Click and drag to draw a rectangle where you want the signature to appear on the page. This box sets the visual placeholder for your signature information, such as your name, the issuing authority, and the timestamp. You can make it as small or as large as you need. You're only defining where that signature panel will display. When the Sign with a Digital ID window opens, select the certificate or digital ID you want to use. If you have more than one, pick the one that matches the identity you intend to sign with. Take a moment to review the certificate details shown, things like the issuer, validity dates, and your identity, so you're confident you're using the correct one. Click Continue, and when prompted, enter the password or PIN associated with that digital certificate. This unlocks your private key so Acrobat can create the secure signature. Type it carefully to avoid any errors. Now click Sign. You'll be asked to save the PDF. Choose where to save and confirm. After saving, Acrobat embeds your certificate and seals the file. The PDF is now signed with a certificate-based digital signature. Here's what that means going forward. Your identity certificate is embedded in the PDF, so anyone who opens the file can verify who signed it and when. The document becomes tamper-evident. If any content is changed after signing, the signature status will show as invalid. Recipients can rely on the signature panel to confirm authenticity and the timestamp, giving them confidence the document hasn't been altered since you signed it. That's it. You've securely signed a PDF with a certificate, ensuring authenticity, integrity, and long-term trust in your document.